So dear students, welcome back in this new tutorial in which today I'll be teaching you some audio effects plus some video effects and also how to record our own voice. Okay, so last time I've gone through this tutorial in which I have added two videos simultaneously, and along with that even the audio was added. Now starting from the audio, first of all, what I want to do here, actually I'm using two tracks. So today I don't want to use two tracks. I'll delete one of the track. So this track I want to delete. So you know very well, left side delete option is there. So I'll just click on that. So presently I'm only having one video. Okay, so first of all, what I can do in audio track, I'll click on this. When I click on this audio track, you could see automatically these options are coming. Reverb, I'll be telling you afterwards. Voice changer, that also afterwards. Trim and split, you know very well, if I click on trim and split, these three options are coming. Trim to the left of playhead means if you want to cut it from between, three options are there. Trim to the left of the playhead, if I click this one, I click from the left side, it has deleted the audio. So I don't want to delete, just for demo purpose I have done this. So I'll undo the command. Same way, that all three options are same, like trim to the right of the playhead. So I hope it is clear what I'm doing. Then split at the playhead, if I want to split at the playhead. So now it has converted into two audios. Okay, so that was just for the demo purpose. Then in the audio, you know very well, the first option, you can increase or decrease the sound. If I'll make it to 0, now if I'll play, no sound I'll hear. Okay, so I'll make it to 100, so I can hear the sound. Then further, the second option, equalizer. So different settings are there, like natural, pop. You can just try all that. Like bass booster I'm using. So the bass will be increased, means if drums and all are there, that beats, that will give more. Just see the effect now. The same way you could use other effects. Yes, voice changer effect. So that I told you I'll teach you afterwards. Okay, I was teaching you bass booster, bass reducer. Now it will decrease the bass effect. Means you have listened sometimes when you are hearing the beats, the beat comes more. That is the bass effect. I'll reduce it. So if there is a drum sound, that will be reduced in this. Okay. So I'm using the second option. Many are there. So just you can try that. I'll make it to normal. Then third option, that is very important. Third option, this is, it animates the sound. If you'll see, as I've clicked, the line is coming in between. See, this line will control the effect of the audio. Means if you want to increase the audio or decrease the audio. So how to do it? It will automatically animates. Suppose from the starting I don't want any audio. So what I'll do here, I'll I'll decrease. Then from here I want to increase the sound. You could see here plus sign, top right plus sign is there. I'll press it. Fun dot. I'll show you some dot is there. Just see the dot. It controls the sound. Okay. So just I'll just shift my timeline little forward, and again I'll decrease, or let it be. Okay. Let's see the effect, how it looks. So you could see only for a while I can hear my sound, and afterwards the sound has gone down. So you have the control to uh, automate your sound. Wherever you want sound in more, you want to increase the sound, you can use this option. See, it's automated. Here, suppose again I want to increase, I can increase. Okay. So the other two options, the second one, suppose I feel like this dot I have inserted by mistake, I can click on this minus. I can click, it will be deleted. And these two options, backward, so it will directly go to that particular point where I have increased or decreased the sound. I can again click to minus. Okay. So wherever I am putting my points, control points, it can delete, and again minus, it can delete. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you how to use this. Just now I'm making it. Yeah. And directly I want to go to the next point, I can click on the forward button and I can click to minus. So this is okay. So now you know how to control the sound, how, where to increase, where to decrease. You have the full control. Now I want to add some video effects. So what I'll be doing, I'll go to the layer option. I'll click on tick layer option. Media, I have told you, it can be used to insert some video clips or pics. Second one is effect. I can click on this effect. Okay. So suppose line shift I want to use. So just see, it is telling me how much part I want to select. Let's try. Can you see the effect in between? And it has some settings also. Direction. It is changing the direction. Okay. Number. How many numbers you want? Suppose I want less numbers. Movement. So these are the options you can use in this effect. Distance, speed. Let's see. Okay. So you can use this effect. Some other effect we'll try. So you could see many effects are there. Light flare. So let's see how it looks. So in between it is giving the light. Although we can't see to it properly, we'll see. Just you could see now when I'm changing the effect in between. Strength. Now I think I'm increasing the strength of the light. Light size. Okay. Now just you check. Okay, I can increase the size by my finger. Then see, it's increasing. So I hope it is clear to you. I'll delete this effect. So when you will try, you can try as many effects you want. We'll try one more. I don't like this effect. Let's see some other effect. Magnify. Let's see how it looks. In between you could see the effect, magnifier effect. Again the settings are there. Magnify, I can magnify, yes. Smoothness, let's see now. So you can easily see the magnifier effect. Okay, and there is other options also in this. Different shapes are there. I can use different shapes. So by default circle only. Then these options are there in animation. Slide right means how this effect should come. Slide up. So can you see the difference? Let's say I'll increase this effect. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so these are the effects. Let's see, slide down. Now it's going up. Yes. Now let's see this effect. Means from the starting, firstly it will go up, then to by normal how the camera is moving, it will go according to that motion. Then drop like this. Okay, then the middle. Now there are three kind of animations. The middle one I'll try. Blink like this. If I'll try this, so you can give different kind of effects, how animation should enter, then how permanently, how what kind of effect it will give you. This actually I'll teach you in detail afterwards. Just now I click on none. Okay, and third one is there, how it should be out. If I click on fade like this, it will give you the effect. Just see how it will go. It will fade itself. Just see. So I hope you are clear with the effects. I'll delete this effect also. So you are free to try as many effects. Okay, I've given you many kind of effects. Let's see. What kind of effect it will give. It's kind of flare only. I'll try some other effect. Let's try this one. I think you have not noticed. I'll just do the settings. I'll increase the strength. I hope now you can use. Now you can easily view what I am doing. Size I'll make it small. Okay, this is also nice effect. You could see bubble type in between. Okay, here I can enter some interesting effect. Drop like a ball. Okay, so I'll finish with these effects. Today you have learned how to add audio effects, how to control the audio, and how to add some video effects. A simple method is just you have to add the effect, and this it's okay. You can directly add the effect and just do the settings according to your need and just see the change. One overlay effect is also there. I think I could cover that also. Again, simply you have to make a new layer, click on overlay. Okay, so plenty of effects I have already downloaded. So let's see. I'm just searching what kind of effect I can use. Plenty of effects are there. Falling leaf, which I like the most. I'm using it also in my videos. I click on this. Now if I want to increase the size, that also I'll teach you. Simply if I click on this, just say I can increase the size like this. With the finger I can increase the size. Okay, now I'll see how it looks. So I hope it is very much clear how to use. I'll want to add some more overlay effect. Travel to stars, let it be. I want to use this one. So I hope it is clear to you how to use overlay effects. So now I have also told you that I'll teach you how to add my own voice. So just as a demo, I'll be recording my own voice because sometimes when you have to make the project, you have to add your own voice. So I'll be clicking on this mic option. So where voice is written, click on that. When you click on that, it is asking you to start. Okay. So when I click on start, so now whatever I am teaching you, my sound will be recorded according to the videos. So it's very beneficial when you are giving the demo. Teachers can use this, or when you will be making your project, you can use this option. As you are seeing your video, you can directly speak. So when I click on stop, so in this way you can record whatever you feel. Simple. You have to click on voice, then you have to click on start, and then it will start recording. Okay. Okay, is it clear? Just now I'm using microphone. Now I'm taking out my microphone, directly voice, and then like this you can do whatever you feel like, and it will be recorded. In my case just now it's not recording because due to the microphone. So next, in my next tutorial, I specifically see that how I can give you the tutorial regarding to record your voice, but the process is same as I showed you. So just now I'll be stopping my tutorial here only.